Haywood County officials are now warning parents tonight about a rise in whooping cough cases. Health officials say 5 cases have already been confirmed among children and teenagers. 2 of those patients are hospitalized, and officials say the cases do appear to be isolated for now, but they're encouraging parents to get your children vaccinated, saying that's the best way to prevent the disease from spreading. Now take a look right here at this list on your screen. Here are the symptoms you need to watch out for with your kids. Long and severe coughing fits, a whooping sound when breathing, vomiting after coughing, a runny or stuffy nose, and either a mild fever or no fever at all.